Dear students, last day we discussed the types of chemical reaction. The first types, combination reaction, and definition, some examples also we discuss. Today, two other types of reaction related to combination reaction, just I discuss. One are called exothermic and second endothermic. That means some types of reaction they release energy. It is called exothermic. But in case if any types of reaction, when we provide energy in external part and it is called endothermic reaction. So simply see here, reaction in which heat is released along with the formation of product are called exothermic chemical reaction. For example, burning of natural gas and decomposition of vegetable matter into compose are also an example of exothermic reaction. So this is the exothermic reaction. That means when reaction is done, they release the energy. Okay. And next thing, endothermic reaction. So endothermic reaction, those reaction in which heat is absorbed. That means they first absorb the heat, after that they release or energy or complete the reaction. For the example, see here, duration digestion, food is broken down into simpler substance. For example, rice, potato and bread contain. It is a contain of carbohydrate. So these types of carbohydrate broken down to form glucose. This glucose combined with oxygen in the cell of our body and provide energy. This is an endothermic reaction. It means first they react and release energy, and these types of energy are helpful the human beings or animals. So this is also a part of combination reaction. And dear students, next types of chemical reaction is decomposition reaction. So decomposition reaction, suppose if any types of reaction, the product break up into constitute reactant and reaction is termed as decomposition reaction. It means if any types of product, they convert in the form of reactant elements or molecules or compound, it is called decomposition reaction. For example, calcium chloride, calcium and chlorine. Suppose calcium carbonate, that means CaCO3. So these types of CaCO3 are broke down in calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. One another example, see here, ferrous sulfate, it is a solid form. When heated, they convert in ferrous oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So ferrous oxide is a solid form, dioxide and trioxide, it is a gaseous form. Okay. So here if you observe a single types of reactant breakdown to give simpler product, it is called decomposition reaction. So decomposition of calcium carbonate or other types of example, when they convert in the form of reactant, it is called decomposition reaction. Just see here, this is the formula of decomposition reaction. It means a decomposition reaction, a single compound split into two or more simpler substance under suitable condition. It is the opposite of the combination reaction. So generalized scheme of a decomposition reaction like that, suppose A and B. So here A plus B, that means it is a product. AB is a product and these types of product are converted in the form of A and B, that means reactant. So simple, it is a just opposite reaction of combination reaction. It's called decomposition reaction. Okay. Now it is a example of thermal decomposition reaction. So in these types of reaction, the reactant is decomposed by applying heat. That means when applying heat, these types of process are done. For example, in mercury oxide is decomposing into mercury metal and oxygen gas. Okay. So as the molecules is dissociated by the absorption of heat, it is otherwise called thermolysis. It is a class of compound to elements or elements decomposition. Just see here a equation: 2H2O, it is solid form, or convert into 2Hg. 2HgO, it is a solid form, it's convert in the form of 2Hg means liquid and O2 means gas. Simply in calcium carbonate, when we heat it, it's break down into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So it is also a types of compound to compound and compound decomposition. Okay, so dear students, this is the types of decomposition reaction, and next video we discuss the third point of decomposition, third point of displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. Okay.